Hello everyone! Next, take a green sheet of paper, fold it into a square and then cut it into 2 oblong bodies such. Now add some glue, make white lines on the sheet and then stick it in a circular pattern. Stick the 2 oblong bodies together and then bend one side of it. We will be making a cactus and hence the lines. Stick the 2 oblong bodies on either side of the cactus and then draw eyes, some blush and a little mouth along with the flower. For our next craft, we will be taking a yellow sheet of paper and wrapping it around a roll. Line this with black on either side and then add some eyes and a cute little expression. Repeat this 2 more times and add grass at the top of their heads. Cut out some cardboard in different colors and put them on top of the other and then stick all of them together. For our next craft, we will be drawing a Christmas tree on some green paper. Following this, we will be cutting it out in the shape of the Christmas tree. Stick this Christmas tree onto the blue paper and then add decorations such as stars and beads all over the Christmas tree. Take an empty cotton roll or an empty roll and then make it into a strip and cut out these strips. This will be where we will be putting the Christmas trees. Add some eyes and a very cute expression, and after you're done, insert the Christmas tree into the strip holes. For our next craft, we will be taking a red piece of paper and adding dots as seen above. Wrap this as well into a circular shape, add some eyes and again add a cute little expression, add some eyebrows as well if you want, and then take a square of paper, cut it into a bush and stick it on top. Thank you for watching.